We talk about problems, we solve problems, we laugh, we're therapists for each other, and I would not have it any other way.
25 years ago, Jeremy took a ride along that would change the course of his life. He wasn't sure what to expect, but as soon as he saw the teamwork, the energy, and the brotherhood, he knew this was where he belonged.
Being a sports guy my whole life, I fell in love with the team aspect and how they work. The camaraderie was just unbelievable.
Jeremy's career has now brought him to Engine 16, helping move the crew safely to every call, pumping water at the scene, and mentoring the next generation of firefighters.
I like to pass along the things that I've learned to the guys on the back, and I learn from them guys too. I need to know some of the more new school ways, and I teach them the old school ways.
What makes his crew special isn't where they're from, it's how they show up for each other.
We learn a lot from each other. We all have different tastes in music, different tastes in movies, but they're all one big family.
Different experiences, different personalities, one team. Over the years, one nickname has followed him wherever he's gone.
So my nickname is Shrek. I got that 25 years ago. I don't know why, I guess it's how I look, how I act, but it's been fun and I enjoy it and I answer to it, and I'll actually miss hearing it every day.
After more than 2 decades with Charlotte Fire, he's proud to be part of a department like no other.
These guys have been good to me, and hopefully they feel the same way about me. It's been a fun ride. It's been a good ride.